Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Angela Sweet. So in today's video I'll be doing a green smoky eye look and a appreciation video at the same time, because my environment is really noisy, so I really can't do a separate video because my neighborhood is really noisy. I'm sorry about that, so I have to do a voiceover. Even at that, the whole place is still really noisy, so please pardon me for that. You guys know today is the last day of 2020 and everybody is busy and everywhere is busy, preparing for the last minutes. So guys, in today's video, let me start by appreciating my subscribers and few friends I've made on here. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, for your comments and everything. You guys have been amazing. You guys have been the one, helping me, push forward. I'm so grateful guys. Thank you so much. I think I'll have to do a separate video mentioning names. You guys I've had few friends on here. I've made few friends on YouTube here who have been amazing. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this video. So for today's look, I'm doing a green smoky eyes. I'm already through with my eyebrows, you can see. And now I'm moving straight after priming my face using my Elegant Pro concealer. Actually went in with my translucent powder to set that. Then now I'm going in with that first color that I showed. It's more pink, it's more like pink nude. So I went in first and I'm going in with my thumb, my hand. As you can see, I'm moving in with my thumb. I'm not using a makeup brush today for it. And next I went in with something like is it a brown orange color, stroke brown color, and after which I'm going in with another brown dark orange. Somehow it looks dark orange the camera, but it's actually brown, so I'm going in with that color. And after which on my lid I'm going in with this brown, this little bit. It's more of black stroke brown. It's a little bit black but not too black. I'm going to place that on top of my lid areas. And after which I'm going in with my black eyeshadow. I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm just going to press that on my lid and go forth and back with it just to make sure it sets really nice. You can see, very simple, very easy step without wasting time, you guys can see. And then next I'm going in with my green shimmer color, and after which I'll be going to the outer corner of my eyes with the black color just to fade that place and make it look a little bit darker than other areas, so it looks very flawless and beautiful. So after I'm through going in with my eyeliner on top of my eyelid areas, I'm going into my waterline with my eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow. I'm going in first. I'm repeating the whole process I did on my eye. So I'm going in first. I'm going in first with the black on my eyeline, on my waterline. Sorry. And after which I'm going in with the orange brown color under, and after which I'll be going in with the light green, sort of light green color without the shimmer. So for my face makeup, you guys know this is my newest technique now. This is my powder makeup routine before foundation. Yeah, so after applying that all over my face, though I actually primed my face off the comb, I used my 24K face base primer and went in with my Sacha Buttercup translucent powder to powder my face before I went in with my Fit Me Maybelline foundation. So for my highlighting today, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro concealer to shade lighter than my skin tone. I'm going to apply that underneath my eye areas, on top of my forehead, on top of the bridge of my nose, and under my chin. And there, I will just blend. And after I blend that out, I actually baked, but I didn't show you guys where I baked my face. I went in with the Sacha Buttercup translucent powder. And after which, for my lips today, since my eye makeup is heavy, I just want to keep the lips really down, you know. So I'm going in with my David's number 21 eye pencil. I'm just going to outline my lips, and after which I'm going in with a nude color. This nude, yeah, I'm going in with this nude color, and I think I like it for this makeup. I like this nude for this makeup today. It looks so natural. It's almost looking like my lip color, and that's why I like it. So guys, after going in with my gloss on my lips, I decided to go to the inner corner of my eyes with a lemon green color to make those eyes pop out very fine. And I'm going in with my lashes, and after which I'm going with my spray. This is aloe vera setting spray, and I'm going to spray my hair. This is Spirit Stay Gel spray. I'm using to spray all over my hair just to make it go with the look, you guys know. So you know, nothing is left out. So guys, this is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate every one of you. I hope you guys like this look. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and keep sharing, keep liking, and keep commenting. I love you guys so much. I will see you next year, guys. I will see you guys next year, 2021. I love you guys so much. Bye.